Today on Pyro Barbecue, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I switched to RecTeq and why you should too. Let's get into it. I just want to say that I am not at all sponsored by RecTeq. They're not paying me to do this video at all. I just really like this product. I use it myself. I bought it with my own money, and I just want to tell you about why I like it so much and why I think you should get one too. And hopefully this video will be helpful for you. But if you're watching RecTeq, holla at your boy. I'll show all your grills off. Come on. I need one of those smaller ones. That would be awesome. The first reason I switched to RecTeq was because of the build quality. I've had pellet smokers in the past. The build quality was not great. A lot of pieces were plastic and not that good. The RecTeq, man, this thing is stainless steel. It is built like a tank. This thing's awesome. I got the RT1250. It's got a shelf in here. It does everything they need to do, and it's awesome. So I got it because it's built really good.
My first brisket on the RecTeq, I'm doing a USDA prime brisket. I've trimmed it, and I'm going to season it with half and half mixture of Lowry seasoned salt and black pepper.
Number 2, the second reason that I went with RecTeq is because of their customer service. That I had a question, I sent it in on Facebook actually, and they responded back to me really quickly. They answered all my questions. It was super helpful. And of everything that I've read and seen on other YouTube videos, if you just call them, they answer the phone with a real person. They walk you through. I had a bunch of issues with a previous pellet smoker you can see in one of my old videos, and it was a nightmare going through that whole process. I'm thankful for a good customer service when it comes to RecTeq.
Now I'm going to place the brisket fat side down as an experiment. I typically do fat side up, but I'm trying it out right now on the RecTeq with the fat side down. I will put the probes in it, and I set each probe to 165. When it alerts me, I will take it off and wrap it.
Number 3, the number 3 reason why I switched to RecTeq is because it is so easy. I cooked a brisket on here for the first time. I put it on at 8:30 at night, took it off in the afternoon the next day. It cooked all night long, all morning. All I did was monitor it from my phone. I did nothing else, and the RecTeq did all the work. It was incredible. It was the easiest brisket I've ever made in my life, and it was delicious. So this thing worked perfectly. The app was super friendly. It was easy to use. It gave me all the information that I needed, and I mean, it's just super easy. So I would, if you're not looking to sit there and stoke a fire for a long time, which I've done, I've had Komodo style grills, I've had Weber style grills. This thing right here will do all the work for you, and I can't recommend it enough. Check out this footage of the brisket I did, and don't forget to subscribe, like, follow along on the journey of things we're gonna make with the RecTeq.
Here on the app, you can set the temperature of the grill. You can see what each probe is and set a temperature, but let's check on the brisket right now.
In the car.
This one, Honda.
Yeah, but I'm taking the Honda. We'll go get my keys and get it out.
After wrapping it, I put it in a pan, put it back on the smoker until it is probe tender, took it off, put it in a cooler, then we made some homemade mac and cheese, and this stuff was fire. Put Cajun seasoning in it. We started with a bechamel, added cheese to it, cooked the pasta, mixed it all up together with some Cajun spices, put it on the RecTeq for an hour, and it came out beautiful. I highly recommend adding this anytime you're cooking brisket.
Points where we're like, okay, we need a little break. Like they'll go on an RV trip and be like, this is so nice. But then we're like, okay, we're kind of ready for them to come back.
Like, I thought I was gonna take napkins.
Well, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, follow along the journey. We're going to make all kinds of food right here on the RecTeq. I'd love to show you some great things to eat with some friends and family. So remember, as always, whether you eat, whether you drink, do it all for the glory of God, and we will see you in the next video. Deuces.